I will talk about one of the most powerful tools that the Excel software has to offer, the pivot tables and the accompanying pivot charts. That tool allows you to select certain data from a large set of data or tables. Right now, this file contains a lot of information about your family, your name, your gender, your relationship, age, pet, maternal, paternal side. Current worksheet contains too much information. So I want to reduce the information. So I will use the pivot table and the pivot chart options. You need to utilize the pivot table option first. Click anywhere in the table area. In the Insert tab, select the Pivot Table option. The dialog box appears. Accept the default criteria that inserts the new pivot table in a new worksheet. The Pivot Table Fields pane appears. I will move the name field to the rows area in the left side pane. I will move the gender field to the columns area in the same pane. I will insert the age field to the values area. Finally, I will add the pet field as a filter. Suppose I want to list only relatives with dogs. Through the filter, I will select only the dog criteria. As a result, the information being displayed is greatly reduced, less clutter. The reduced information is more meaningful for you according to your preferred criteria. I will now create a pivot chart, selecting the pivot chart option in the current Analyze tab. The first file has a lot of information. The pivot table appears. The second file has preferred selected information from the first file's data set.